This is the Genie GUWWC2 Universal Wireless Wall Console. It provides wireless control of a compatible garage door opener without requiring wiring through the wall. The console includes multiple control buttons and is powered by standard AAA batteries. To begin the battery replacement, locate the battery compartment cover at the bottom of the wall console. Press inward on the small retaining clip and at the same time pull the plastic cover toward you. The cover should release easily and expose the battery compartment inside the unit. Once the compartment is open, use the edge of the plastic cover to help lift the old AAA batteries out of their holders. Remove each battery carefully. Before installing the new batteries, check the positive and negative markings printed on the circuit board. Insert the new AAA batteries according to these markings. Make sure the positive and negative ends are facing in the correct direction, exactly as shown inside the compartment. Press each battery firmly into position. Press the cover back into place until the retaining clip locks securely. Finally, test the Genie GUWWC2 by pressing one of its programmed control buttons. The indicator light should respond, and the connected garage door opener should operate normally. That's it! The battery replacement is complete.